Eka sana tatapang lukaku kering kang depatku kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko lalo mo manasakit ko kaluguran daka o'y kamu kailangan pinabigyan na pamimiso nung malyari mo pinakadala ka please so ni kailang mamalyari adwa ka tamang magsabi ang kaluguran na ka bilang beses ko lang sinabi ikwayo ng may kawali ikwayo may karas ikwayo na rin na sila ay puso ay alas sinapak niya mong balas ang puso kong may hindi na nasuka kadyo panayarti yung balo mo mo sana wala daw ang puli ay lisabi ko na kaluguran na ka kasi nung may pulumang lalo kung malasakit basta ikasaya ka anak ka malasakit ngayon ang buri mo apalamdaman ko ekuwari malamdaman ko tamalin buat kaminas ko ang mga palwa ko uling alana kung iwanan ang papahol ko eto sana tatapang luka ko kering kang depat ko kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko lalo mo manasakit ko kaluguran daka o'y kamu
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka Papigilin niya dahil mahal kita Kaluguran na ka ay yung malasakit ko Malo mo para sa'kin napakasakit Mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko masaktan, ayokong mabalisa Mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa Di mapakalisa, sitwasyon ko na sa Karabyanong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan Bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y dalayan Hanggang ako'y malasing, at tuluyang magpraning Pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising Ayoko ko na ganto, ayoko ko na ganyan Ayoko ko na makita, baka lalong masaktan Ayoko kong umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko Kaya paalam na mahal ako na alayo
eto sana tatapang luka ko kering kang depat ko kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko lalo mo manasakit ko kaluguran daka o'y kamu
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's heart, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing I do about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, know the studio right I mouth it. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a tune and sing to her up on the mouth. I had a vision of being married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me, I lose all my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
eto sana tatapang luka ko kering kang depat ko kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko lalo mo manasakit ko kaluguran daka o'y kamu
Paalam, lumalabas sa aking labi Sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang Pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang inalay ko.
No ballistas, chilling with the man.